I think we got something on here. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back at this Roadside Creek. Yesterday I came out here and I got my butt kicked. I think I ended up catching one fish in all the time I was here. So today I'm back and I'm gonna attempt to fish this place with redworms and try to do a proper species assessment. So I'm thinking I'm gonna be running 2 rods today. Probably I'm gonna start both with worms and then I'm gonna switch to artificial and let one soak with the worm. It's actually supposed to rain today, so I probably have about 2 hours maybe to get this done. Let's get started. Oh, something just swam off. It might have just been a turtle though. Alright. Oh, I'm already getting hit. Fish on. No mercy today. Brought worms. First cast, first fish. Little bluegill. All these guys are spawning. Just let them go. Alright, so species number 1 for today was a bluegill. What will be number 2? Alright, so I think I can let this rod sit for a second and go grab the other rod. Oh! That's got a strong bite. There we go. I know this isn't what hit first. Alright. Another little bluegill. Oh, not getting ready. Didn't hit. Shoot. What is this? Not sure. Is it a pumpkin seed? Not sure what this is.
Keep it on. Keep it on.
Oh, fish eye. Oh, a carp. Nice. Nice, man. I've been trying to catch one of these. Nice. Alright, man, another species out of here. Got a carp finally. I've been wanting to catch one of these for a while now. So I'm super excited I got this. They get much bigger than this, and that's why I want to target is a super large carp. But let's get him back in the water. Oh, there he goes. Alright guys, so using worms here has been super productive. It's actually probably the way that I should have been going at this spot just to see what was in here to begin with. But we've got on some different species this morning. I've only been fishing for 13 minutes now. I think I've caught 4 fish. I'm gonna get some more worms out there and see what else we can get out of here. Oh, the bobber went down immediately. What on earth? Wow. Oh, nice. chunky bluegill. Alright, man, just got a big old bluegill. So I was actually just thinking maybe the fish are in different areas in the water column. I've just been fishing the bottom. So I threw this worm with the bobber on. As soon as it hit the water and sat for a second, this bluegill came up and took the worm. Let's get him back. So my bobber is under. Both rods just went off. All right. So oh, there goes the bluegill. And this little catfish. Alright, so both the rods went off and I got a catfish on one line and a big bluegill on the other. I got the bluegill undone already, but now I'm gonna get this catfish unhooked. Alright, I don't know what kind of catfish this is, but it definitely has some little gripping power. Could bite down on my hand pretty hard. Let's get back in the water. And see if he'll bite me again so I can help him out. There we go, he's biting now, which is good. Grip it. Okay, let's let this guy go over here. There he goes. All right. So it's 11:10 a.m. right now. I just got to the other side of this. I have one rod going underneath the overpass on the drop shot. Then I have another, my other ultralight rod has a bobber on it and it's just sitting out there. Hopefully we can catch a few more fish before my time's up. Oh, fish on. First green sunfish out of here. Yeah, fish on as soon as it hit the water. Alright guys, so what I've been doing is targeting like the center of this place. It looks like there's only one way out for fish, so I'm kind of treating it like a highway, I guess. I know things have to come in and out from that one spot, so I've been targeting that area. It's been producing, so that's been my tactic so far. But I'm gonna keep going. I think we got something on here. Oh yeah. Whatever it is, it's a good size. What is this? It's a good fish. What is this? It's a turtle. Freak, man. Well, at least it's not in its mouth. Shoot. Come on, buddy. And try to get this off of here. Oh man, he is not happy. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Popped off. Alright guys, so today by far the drop shot has been outperforming my setup on the ultralight. I had both just a hook and a split shot on my ultralight, and then I went to a bobber, and it seems like the drop shot is what's really been catching fish today. So that's just I guess just a mental note for me to make. But I don't normally fish drop shots, but I figured it might be effective here. It was effective the other day when I used worms, so I guess it's a good setup for fishing live worms. Well guys, I'm all out of time for the day. Today was an exceptional day of fishing. I got what I get. I got bluegill, warmouth. I'm not exactly sure the species of catfish. I got carp and a green sunfish. I don't think I'm leaving anything out, but Overall, today was really good. I'm glad I came back here with worms. I've been wanting to try it just so I can get a proper species assessment. I'm sure there's probably other species in here, maybe gar. I'm actually surprised I didn't catch a redbreast today. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Subscribe if you haven't. Tight lines. Take care.